Student, now we are going to discuss about characteristics of the models. So first one, the models contain instruction. So the models contain instruction, processing, logic and data. So every models have contained the instruction, processing, logic and data. The second point, models can separately will be each one compiled and stored where they will be stored means library. Models can be included where it is included in the program. So model segment can be used by invoking the name and some of the parameters. So the fifth one, model segment can be used by other models. One model we are using the segment mean we are used to another one of the models. And what is the benefit using the modular programming? So what is the benefit? First one, less code to be written. What is the less code to be written? And a single procedure can be developed for one single procedure we can develop, so that will be have reuse and eliminating the need to retype the code many times. So the same part have another reuse and retype, and that code may have used in the many time. Program can be designed more easily, and because a small team deals with only the small part of the entire program. So whole big program they have splitted the small model. So each model is the small part, they have another deal with the small part of the entire program. Modular program allows many programmers to collaborate on the same application. One same application they have another allowed to the more programming person. The code is stored across the multiple file. Code is short, simple and easy to understand. Okay, wow, this code is very short, so simple and easy to understand anybody's. And errors can be easily identified. Why means the big program we can't able to identify the errors, but the models they have splitted the small part, so easily handled to find out the error for each of the program, as they are localized and are subroutines of function. The same code can be used in many applications. The scoping of variable can easily will be controlled in which the models. What is the access control? The access control is the security technique. Access control is the security technique that regulates who and what can be or use resources in the computing environment. So who or what can view or reuse resources in the computing environment. It is the fundamental concept in the security that minimizes risk in the object. So in another words, access control is the selective restriction of the access to the data. In object-oriented program, it is implemented through access of the modifiers. Object-oriented programming means what is that? C++ and Java. And classical object-oriented language such as what is that? C++ and Java control the access to the class members. What is they will using the access the class members? We are using public, private and protected keywords. Already know private members of the class are denied the access from the outside of the classes. So listen be carefully. The private members of the class are denied access from the outside of the class. They can be handled only. The private members only handled will be within the class. The public members is a generally method declared in the class, but it is accessible from the outside the classes. The private member access within the class, the public member access with the outside the class. So the object of the same class is required to invoke the public method. The arrangement of the private instant variable and public method ensures the principle of the data encapsulation. And product members of the class and accessible from the within the class and are the available in the subclasses. Product member within the class and available in the subclasses of that. No other process to permit to access in the protected keywords. This enabled specific resources of the parent class to be increased by the parent class, which is increased child class. The protected members, the parent class increased by the child class. So the Python doesn't have any mechanics and effectively restricted access to the any instance variable or method. This all will be protected, public and private. We are using and access in the C++ and Java. but the Python doesn't have any mechanic that effectively restricted access to any instance variable or method. Python prescribes conversion of the prefixing the name of the variable or method with a single or double underscore. Okay, what is the method? Single or double underscore to eliminate the behavior of protected and private access specified. So all the members in Python class is public by default. So we are using the class member of public, private and private class will be, we are using the Python in default. But whereas the default in C plus and Java, they are another. Which one is the private? So any members cannot be accessed from the outside the class environment in the Python, which is not possible where it is class environment. Outside the class environment we are using in the Python, but it is not possible in the which is object oriented programming of the C++ and Java. So I hope you all understood. Thank you, student.